Hello, my name is Patrice, but you can call me Pat. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to apply press-ons to make them last at least a week. And if you don't work with your hands, these will definitely last longer. I got this set from Amazon. It comes with this tool, which you will see me use later, and comes with 6 different styles. Yo, this set was $15. Divide that by 6, and these are $2 sets. We love a good steal. The link to them are on my Amazon storefront, linked in my description. These are so cute. This one kind of reminds me of like abstract art. I don't know, but these are really cute. And these, they're like pink. They have stars and clouds on them. They're dreamy. And these are just, French stilettos. And they come with another set. They come with 2 sets in these, just like the other French tip that you've seen. These glue stickers are what we're going to be using today to attach nails. And this is the set that I'm going to be applying today. All right, first things first, you got to wash those hands. Get under those nails, girl. You need to get away all the dirt. It needs to be as clean as possible to start with. Now you can put down a towel or a rag for you to start prepping. I used this tool to remove all the dead skin surrounding my nail. So on the sides and right below my cuticle, I was, kind of going in like little circular motions to get all that dead skin up. This is a cuticle pusher. I also got this from Amazon and is also linked in my storefront. It's a great tool to push back those cuticles like you see me doing here. Y'all, please don't talk about my nails. I know they look messed up, but I had a full set acrylics, and when one pop off and you can't tolerate having just one nail, so you gotta pop them all off. Yeah, that's what happened. So I'm using these press-ons to, recover my nail while still, keeping my full sets, because girl, you gotta keep the full sets. Using the other side of the cuticle pusher, we're gonna use that to lift the cuticle so that it has a place for the false nail to lay. So you're gonna wanna lift it and get rid of that dead skin. Now you're gonna wanna file down the sides, those little extra hangnails on the side. You wanna make sure everything is nice and smooth. You wanna make sure that nothing's sticking out of the side of your nails, because that is tacky, girl, and we don't do that over here. Now we are gonna file the bed of the nail so that we can get rid of all the polish on the nail. So it's not smooth, it's jagged, so that the glue that we're gonna be using, it can stick and adhere stronger. I also want to mention that I am not a professional. I just, done my research and learned how to do this. So I'm always open to tips in the comments. And this is how it should look when you're done filing. Now we're going to wipe the area with alcohol. I used a rag because that's all I had at the moment. It was 10 at night and I ran out of napkins, girl. So I grabbed me a clean rag. But I advise that you use a napkin instead, or whatever works. Honestly, this worked perfect. So if you got a rag, use a rag. If you have a napkin, use a napkin. You have options. Now I am going to size these to my nail, find the one that can cover the entire nail. Once you find the one that best suits that nail, you're gonna obviously take it off and place it on the nail. After applying this sticker, you are going to want to get rid of air bubbles. Someone said that you can use your nail, but I found that using the cuticle pusher works so much better. So you're gonna see me just make sure I'm pushing it into all corners of my nail so there are no air bubbles and that the glue is reaching all sides of my nail. After applying the glue, you're gonna wanna blow dry it on a cool, warm setting for 60 seconds. After blow drying, I just went in with that cuticle pusher one more time to make sure that glue is still spread. Now I am sizing the nails. I really should have did this first, but now I'm doing it. So yeah, you're gonna size them and make sure that you have them fit. Now I'm gonna take off the sticker and place the nail. When you're placing the nail, you wanna do it at a 45-degree angle. I'll show you in a second. I'm probably just not doing it now, but yeah, there it is. 45-degree angle so you can get it under the cuticle, and then you're gonna wanna press it in. And press it in, you'll press it in for about 60 seconds also. Just keep pushing it in. Now we are filing. Honestly, when it comes to these nails, I'd rather it be bigger than my nail than smaller than my nail so I can file it down to match my nail. And this is me testing to make sure it is on. And yes, it is stuck like Chuck, girl. Most press-on nails come with that little clip at the tip of the nail, so you're gonna wanna just file that down too. Make sure everything is even. Now you can just repeat all of those steps and you're done. I'll let you guys just relax and watch me finish the rest of my nails. And you guys let me know if you do just like to sit and watch, you know, me doing my nails or just doing nails in general. Because then I could post me doing the rest of these styles just with, you know, a background music and you guys can just watch it. Because I know some people, they like to watch some things when they eat or when they're getting ready or whatever the case may be. If you like it, please let me know and I'll definitely do more videos, you know, showing you guys how I do my nails whenever I do them. Plus, I kind of want to turn this into a mini series. Since it comes with 6 different styles, I can just show you guys how I installed every last style because I'm going to wear all of them. Best believe I'm wearing all of them. So if y'all would like to see that, just let me know in the comments. I am placing this last nail and then we're done. Make sure when you just get finished with your nails that you avoid water for at least 6 hours. So I would advise you do this before bed so that you can just sleep off these 6 hours. But yeah, avoid water and it'll help it last so much longer. Here is the finished product. I love them so much. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more. I love y'all. Bye. Back it up,